there are two rulings. One, clearly the judge has stated the proceeding of the case pending the outcome of our appeal that was pending before the Court of Appeal. The second ruling is concerning the application made by the claimant, or the plaintiff, I can say, that he wants this court to declare the law passed, legitimately passed by the State House of Assembly, that is Kano State House of Assembly, that is the second respondent, nulled and void. But this court clearly stated in its ruling that he doesn't have the wherewithal, the jurisdiction, and the power to declare a law that's passed legitimately by the State House of Assembly. But he came to the conclusion and agreed that though the attitude of the first and the fourth defendants, that is the Kano State government and the Attorney General of Kano State, they are in disobedience of court order that was issued. That was the interim injunction that was earlier issued on 23rd day of May 2024.
The court has nullified all steps taken after the order it made, and that those steps were taken in breach of the court order, and that is all. Subsequently, the court has granted stay of proceedings. Since the matter is before the Court of Appeal, no court can take any further steps until the Court of Appeal determines the case at the appeal before it on the issue of jurisdiction.
Okay.
So even the matter transferred to Court 2, the Court 2 that court cannot take any further step until the result of the outcome of the Court of Appeal.
Okay.
So the matter is now before the Court of Appeal. This is not the end of the matter. Okay. The order nullifying all steps taken subsequent to this portion of this amendment law is been nullified.
I came to the Federal High Court. You had the ruling of this court. My prayer was granted. You must follow due process. I'm happy with what the court has done. That is the last hope of all the common man.